Crypto.com Crowcoin holders. Crowcoin is sitting on a cliff, and we need to be talking about this. Are we going to be diving off of that cliff head first, or are we getting ready to take a couple steps back and maybe go climb up that cliff a bit further? We're going to be talking about this. So without further ado, welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel right now. Anything I say in this video is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment purposes only. Let's hop into it. All right, guys, I want to start off here showing you the Crowcoin chart. Now, why do I say we're on a cliff? Because we are trading on a very important support level at about 12 cents. And we wicked below this. And I see how Bitcoin is trading, and it looks weak. It looks like we are due for further continuation of the downside. And when I look at Market Cipher, the money flow is thick in the red. It looks like it has no end to it. It's starting to, like, if you zoom in here, we're starting to kind of level out, but I think it's too soon to say that we're getting ready to completely reverse this. I'm going to be patiently waiting for a green dot on the momentum wave here, looking for a little bit of a bounce at least. And since we don't have that yet, I do expect further continuation of the downside, and I do expect probably a fulfillment of at least this wick here at about 0.11181. And if we do break below that, I expect to retest this brutal wick down here around 0.09400. Which was the liquidation event that we saw on October 10th, on 10/10. The brutal sell-off that we saw across the board with market makers basically stealing everybody's money. I'll put it bluntly. So what am I doing now, guys? You know, I've been shorting. I just want to come out here and give you a quick update on my thesis on what's going on in altcoins and really the entire market. And looking at Crowcoin specifically, I think that there's a chance that we are due for a little bit of a bounce. Like if you look at the lower term time frames as well, we are maintaining the price level above 12 cents. Now, if we break below that, that's when I expect a further capitulation of the downside. But as of right now, we probably are due for a little bit of a bounce here, like on the 4-hourly. But all in all, when you zoom out and look at this overarching image here, you can tell that we're probably going to be moving further down on the weekly, daily time frame. And so I am still short Crowcoin. I'm up about $725 on my trade, up about 432%. Guys, not significant trades right now, okay? I'm high leverage scalping because I am not sold on the idea that we are in a bear market yet. And I'm not going to be trying to be a hero calling the top or really trying to just like go super heavy when I don't need to. I think that I'll be waiting. I'm going to be high leverage scalping on the way down or up, okay? And until I have a clear image on Bitcoin that we are looking at a multi-month corrective period, I'm going to be holding off on the large six-figure trades right now. If you guys do want to trade with me, feel free to check out in the pinned comment section or description box below. I'm trading on Blowfin right now. They're offering a 10% trade rebate and a $5,000 sign-on bonus, guys. And a lot of other really cool rewards are coming too on Blowfin, so feel free to check it out, guys. It's an affiliate link, helps support this channel, and there's lucrative bonuses for you guys, so it's a win-win for everybody, all right? Now, Bitcoin right now is struggling. We are at about $101,000. You know, yesterday we saw a little bit of a relief bounce. I think we got up to about 105,000. But guys, this is just screaming weakness to me. We can't hold above 110,000, and that's a very, very important price level. And on the daily time frame, this candlestick right here on the daily looks like it's not bearish engulfing on the previous day, but it does look like it wants to continue to move to the downside. And looking at Market Cipher as well, we could be due for a little bit of a bounce, but this wave is not about to do like that. It's much more likely to be something like this. And I would say that would be the bullish scenario. I don't think that you're going to see a big V shape up like that based on what I'm seeing in the overall market. Like the RSIs are still pointing to the downside. And being below the 200-day simple moving average is bearish. It is bearish, and it's like anytime we're below it, it's hard to get above it. And anytime we're above it, it's hard to get below it unless there's a trend change, unless we're going into a bull market or going into a bear market. And that's why I get why a lot of people are talking that we're in a bear market already, like October 6th was the top. But all in all, guys, it's too soon to tell, in my opinion. Now, it's not financial advice. I'm just telling you how I'm viewing this market. I've been trading crypto for over a decade, and I am not going to be saying that the top is in just yet, because we still have a lot of Q4 left. November, December, guys. There can be a lot of explosive price action, and it would be very, very canny of Bitcoin to make everyone think that we're in a bear market and then just absolutely V-shape out of this to new all-time highs. Now, I will say, being completely transparent with you guys, I think that there's a higher likelihood that that does not happen right now. I think that we're going to see further price action to the downside, but I'm not going to write off a potential next leg up for Bitcoin. And if we do see another next leg up within Q4, I think that will be a very, very curious video to be making, because I think that that probably will be the last leg of the 4-year cycle before we are moving into the bear market, or the 4-year cycle doesn't exist anymore. So very, very curious stuff. But let me know in the comments below. Do you guys think that the 4-year cycle still exists? Is it over? Are we going to a bear market? What do you guys think about Crowcoin? And, you know, I don't like shorting coins, okay? I don't like saying I think it's going lower, I think it's going lower. Being a bear is not fun, okay? But when the trades present themselves, I take advantage of it, guys, because I am an altcoin trader and a Bitcoin investor. I'm trying to accumulate as much Bitcoin as I possibly can through trading crypto, right? So that's what I'm doing, guys. But that's all I got. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel out. Check out all the awesome affiliate links down below. Sign up to Blowfin. I'll see you next one. Bye-bye.